Hi Maker, I'm Angel with FleeceFun.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make these really cute felt sunflowers. I'm kind of on a sunflower kick right now, and I love how these felt ones turned out, and they are so versatile. They're great for decor, for centerpieces, for place settings, and I'm going to show you a couple ideas on how to use them. But first, you will need the following. For this project, you will need Fleece Fun's free PDF template or SVG files available on FleeceFun.com, 4 yellow 12-inch by 17-inch felt or fleece sheets, 1 brown 12-inch by 17-inch felt or fleece sheet, glue gun and glue sticks, a Cricut Maker that's optional, fabric grip mat, rotary blade or scissors, pins, or a pen to trace the pattern if you opt to cut it out by hand. All right, now that you have all those items, it's time to get started. Step 1. Cut out the flowers. Print up the PDF pattern or load the SVG files into Design Space. The SVG files are designed to cut out 4 flowers total. If using the PDF, you can modify to allow for whatever you want to make. Using the rotary blade on the Cricut Maker, cut out the following. Cut 4 of the yellow sheets. Remove the excess fabric. Delicately pull each petal inward to the center of the circle. Then lift the flower off the mat. This will prevent any petals from tearing off onto the mat. Continue until all the elements are removed. Cut out the seed strips and the centers from the brown fabric. Gently remove from the mat. To make one flower, you will need 4 flower petal centers, 1 yellow circle center, 1 brown circle of the seed center, and 3 to 4 brown seed strips. All right, now that we have those flowers cut out, let's start putting them together. Step 2. Begin to make the sunflower. You will need to give the sunflower some shape. To do this, we're going to help the petals look a little more three-dimensional. Take the side of the petal that is not attached to the center and fold it over so it is on top of where the petal is attached. Glue into place. Continue to do this all the way around the flower. Repeat with all the layers of the flower. All right, now that you have each of those layers, the petals ready to go, let's layer them up. Starting with the bottom layer, the one with the largest center circle, place each layer on top in descending order, ending with the smallest center circle. Twist the layers until the flower has the desired look. Glue each layer into place. On the back of the flower, the bottom that has the largest circle, glue the large yellow circle to finish the back of the fabric flower. Set the flower aside. Now it's time to work on the center of the sunflower. Step 4. Make the sunflower seed center. Take one of the seed strips, fold it in half, and glue along the solid edge to hold into place. Take the brown center. Starting at the outer edge, glue the non-separated side of the seed strip down. Continue to glue down the strip spiraling into the center. Depending on the tightness of your spiral, you might need to trim a strip to make it fit. Finally, glue the center to the center of the flower. You just completed the sunflower DIY. There are so many things you can do with them. Insert a little paper tag in them to make a cute place card holder. Use them as a nice addition to some garland. They work as a nice addition to a table as well. Or toss them into a wood tray for an easy centerpiece. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this one. And that's it. You have this really cute felt sunflower. It has so many possibilities. I've used it in the background with some garland. Again, you could use it as a centerpiece. You could also use it to hold place cards for Thanksgiving, just to get in the center there. You can use it as a fascinator. All kinds of different possibilities with this. And I love that it's just one of those classic decorations that you can pull out year after year. If you like this project, I have several more on my website, fleecefun.com, that I think you'll enjoy. I have free templates and SVG files and PDFs, so you can make what I'm creating here at home. And let me know in the comments below, do you like sunflowers?